By 2050, the cities we live in may no longer just be built for people. They'll be built for intelligence. Picture skyscrapers that think, streets that talk, and entire urban networks that operate like living organisms powered by artificial intelligence. Every second, billions of sensors will feed data into invisible digital systems that manage everything from traffic flow to air quality to public safety. Instead of static cities run by human administrators, we'll have adaptive AI-driven ecosystems that constantly learn, evolve, and respond to our needs. Imagine waking up in a city where your home's AI synchronizes with citywide systems to optimize energy use, water flow, and waste collection automatically. Your morning commute won't involve sitting in traffic. Instead, autonomous electric vehicles will communicate directly with the city's AI grid, routing you through the least congested path with near zero delay. Traffic lights will no longer exist. Instead, intersections will be coordinated by predictive algorithms that know precisely when and where vehicles will arrive. Drones will buzz overhead, not for delivery alone, but also to monitor infrastructure, track weather patterns, and assist emergency services. Garbage trucks and utility crews may become obsolete as autonomous robots maintain streets, fix leaks, and collect waste without human intervention. Streetlights will glow only when people are nearby, and energy grids will balance themselves, pulling power from solar rooftops, wind farms, and battery banks depending on real-time demand. Hospitals will be connected to every wearable and implant, predicting emergencies before they happen, while police systems will use AI to detect threats and dispatch drones or units instantly. In 2050, data will be the city's heartbeat, pulsing through quantum processes that analyze everything faster than the human mind can comprehend. But such intelligence will also raise big questions. Who controls it, and can we trust it? When AI systems manage entire cities, a single malfunction or cyber attack could paralyze millions of lives. That's why the future of AI cities will depend not only on technology, but also on ethics, transparency, and robust cybersecurity. Some experts predict that citizens will have AI guardians, personal algorithms that negotiate with the city on their behalf, protecting privacy while optimizing convenience. For example, your AI could share only the data necessary for better traffic management, but keep your personal movements private. Governments are already experimenting. In Singapore, AI manages traffic lights and public transport in real time. In Seoul, digital twins of the entire city help predict flooding and manage construction. And in Dubai, AI systems monitor energy use across every skyscraper to reduce carbon output. These are early prototypes of what future megacities could become: self-healing, self-regulating, and almost entirely autonomous. By 2050, some urban planners envision cities with no traffic jams, no power outages, no waste overflow, and minimal pollution. Public transport, healthcare, energy, and communication systems will all merge into one synchronized digital web, overseen by a central city AI, an entity that never sleeps. But even as the technology advances, the challenge will remain human. How do we ensure that AI serves everyone equally? Will AI cities be utopias of efficiency, or will they become surveillance states where every action is tracked? The balance between freedom and automation will define the next era of urban life. Some believe that in the future, citizens will vote not just for mayors or governors, but also for algorithms, choosing which AI systems they trust to run their cities. The city of 2050 won't just be smart, it will be alive, aware, and always learning. From the moment you wake up to the moment you sleep, you'll be living inside a symphony of data and intelligence, where artificial minds quietly shape every second of human experience. The question is no longer if AI I will run our cities. It's how well we'll coexist with it.